222. The universe is going to put you in the right place at the right time. You will receive divine connections. People will go out of their way to be good to you. There is a big plan for your life and is manifesting in the best way for you right now. Type 222 to claim. Vibe of the day. The universe does not want you to try harder. It wants you to breathe, let go, and be open to things being easier and more magical than you could ever imagine. Those who flow as the universe flows know they need to no other forces. Align with the cosmos, let the magic happen. Type yes if you believe. Change is coming. Everything in your life now will begin to propel forward. You will notice a shift from stagnation to flow, from lack to abundance, from confusion to clarity, from pain to peace. This is the turning point. Type yes if you believe and also subscribe God's Manifesto